how to efficiently solve already made F2L pairs. The first case we have here is the F2L pair going back into its own slot, but however it's sort of like upside down. So the intuitive way to fix this would be to take the F2L pair out and rotate, then insert. But because there's a rotation, it's not the most efficient way. The most efficient way is actually the least intuitive, which is to put the corner towards the back and now pair these two up with a sledgehammer, like that. And now you can go into the insert without a rotation. So the next case is when you have the F2L pair stuck in an adjacent slot. So the slot that it needs to go into is next to the slot that it's stuck in. So this case, what you can do, it's kind of intuitive, it actually cancels into the insert. So you take the F2L pair out, do an R2 to cancel into the insert, and drop the F2L pair in like that. Very efficient, very fast. Now the next case is this one. It's when the F2L pair is stuck in the opposite slot. So the slot that it needs to go into is on the other side of where it's stuck in. So in this case, what you can do is these 5 moves. So you can open up this slot like that, and then bring this F2L pair over like that. Bring this slot back, and bring this slot down like that. And that solves this corner from the diagonal position. So the next case is when an F2L pair is inserted in an incorrect slot. So in this case, the F2L pair is in the adjacent slot, or next to the slot it's supposed to be in. So if it's in the adjacent slot, the way you could do this is to take this F2L pair out using a sledgehammer. So in this case, I'll use a lefty sledge, and that way I can insert without a rotation. The next case is when you have an F2L pair here and its position is opposite to where it is. Now for this case, what you can do, it's kind of intuitive as well, is to open this slot and open this slot like that. Do a U2 that swaps the F2L pair around, and then close both slots. And that solves this case. So I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.